Welcome back to RankyFy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to connect and import your Google Search Console data directly into RankyFy, so all your project insights are available from one dashboard. Let's get started. The first step is opening the RankyFy sign-in portal and continuing with Google. Once signed in, I need to add an account. After the account is added, I'm taken to the Quick Setup screen. Here I have three options: import my websites from Google Search Console, create a project manually, or explore the dashboard first. I click on Import from Google Search Console. Next, I select the properties I want to import into RankyFy and click Go to Dashboard. The RankyFy dashboard opens with my imported data ready to go. From here, I navigate to the Traffic and Analytics Overview section. Inside, I can see three tabs: RankyFy Analytics, Google GSC plus GA4 Console, and Not Matched. Clicking on Google GSC plus GA4 Console shows me the full analytics for my imported project. If a project isn't connected to Google Search Console yet, I can click Manage Google Services from here and add another Google account directly. Once the new account is added, Google will ask me to verify the app. I click Advanced, then go to RankyFy, then Continue to sign up, and continue once more to finalize the connection. And just like that, I'm directed back to the RankyFy dashboard with the new account fully linked. Back to the Traffic and Analytics section, I dive into its subcategories. Traffic Intelligence. Here I see total clicks, impressions, GA4 sessions, core performance numbers at a glance, crawl errors, pages tracked, healthy percent, site health indicators, critical issues, warnings, opportunities, prioritized action items. Column view, granular page-by-page data breakdown, GSC rankings, total keywords, top 3 and top 10 rankings, keyword footprint overview, average position, traffic from rankings, visibility score, search performance summary, rank distribution, movement summary, top gaining keywords, graphical ranking insights, ranking pages needing attention, cross-referenced from GSC and analytics data export, downloads the full report offline instantly, trends duration selector, filter by 7 days, 28 days, 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year. CTR insights, flags high impression, low CTR pages as easy wins. Potential impact panel shows confidence percent and ad priority per recommendation performance trends graph. Toggleable metric overlays in real time, period-over-period comparison, measures progress between 2 timeframes. Performance momentum, live trending direction across traffic, CTR, RankyFy, and visibility trending position issues. Flags critical issues and warnings affecting rankings. Period comparison basis. Filter by keyword, pages, device, or country clicks, impressions, average CTR, average position, side-by-side period metrics, bar graph, visual toggle between key metrics across both periods, keywords period comparison, complete column-level data breakdown, pages with position issues, critical issues and warnings flagged at the bottom, real-time auto-refreshes every 30 seconds, always showing the most current data, active users, page views, events, average pages per session, live activity metrics users by device, top countries, top referral sources, active pages, 4 live data panels, search intelligence demographics overview, countries, devices tabs, 3 views to navigate audience data, duration selector, filter by last 7, 28, or 90 days, audience intelligence total clicks, overall click performance at a glance, mobile traffic percent, share of traffic coming from mobile devices, top country, highest traffic generating location, review snippet visibility, how review-based content appears in search device intelligence device insights, breakdown of traffic across all device types, top countries country and clicks breakdown, geographic traffic distribution in column view fastest growing country, highlights the location with the most momentum in-depth report, full geographic performance detail on demand global audience distribution top markets, click share, visualizes how traffic is spread across global regions, search type overview web, image, video, news, compare performance across all search types, total clicks, total impressions, top surface, headline metrics at a glance, search surfaces review snippets, pages appearing with review-based rich results, product snippets, pages appearing with product structured data, AMP blue links, Pages served as accelerated mobile pages in Search AMP Story. AMP Story format appearances in search results. Translated results. Pages served in translated form across regions. Ranked by clicks. Each surface ordered by click volume. Visuals and data traffic distribution. How clicks are spread across search surfaces. Clicks versus impressions. Side-by-side visibility and engagement comparison per surface. Surface comparison radar. Normalized clicks, impressions, and CTR across top 5 surfaces. CTR and average position per surface. Performance efficiency for each surface. Full data table. Complete surface level breakdown in column view. Pages losing clicks despite visibility. Flags underperforming pages where impressions are deep but clicks are low. Search appearance, SERP visibility. How tracked pages are appearing in search results. SERP Opportunity Center. Surfaces areas to improve search appearance. Visibility health score. Overall search presence scored out of 100. What's improving panel. Highlights positive visibility momentum on the right side. Complete visibility report. Downloadable directly from this section. Page intelligence index coverage. Page indexing not indexed pages count. Total pages excluded from Google's indexed pages count. Total pages currently live in search bar graph. Visual breakdown of indexed versus not indexed pages. Core metrics website source issues. Problems originating from the site itself. Google systems issues. Indexing problems on Google's end. Sampled URLs inspected. Number of URLs reviewed in this report. Clicks, impressions, CTR, average position. Search performance summary. Device performance mobile, desktop, tablet. Search analytics data. Broken down by device, page performance clicks, impressions, CTR, average position by URL, full page level data in column view, indexing issues. Why pages aren't indexed, explains reasons. Pages are excluded from search. Pages that aren't indexed can't be served on Google. Key reminder flagged in the report index coverage errors. Per URL index status pulled from Google URL inspection not indexed pages by category. Groups indexing issues by type for easier prioritization. Additional sections inspected pages, list of all URLs reviewed submitted sitemaps. Sitemaps currently submitted to Google URL Inspector. Individual URL indexing status lookup pages buried beyond page 2. Flags pages with low visibility due to poor ranking depth videos. Video indexing status shows how video content across the site is indexed video structured data. Reported under enhancements and video's duration column. Displays video length alongside indexing data in column view. Technical intelligence crawl errors. Googlebot reported errors. Crawl issues detected and reported over the last 90 days. Crawl and alerts low, CTR pages. Pages with poor click-through performance ranking opportunities. Pages with potential to improve search position. Needs improvement. Pages flagged for optimization. Critical issues. High priority problems needing immediate attention. Column data. Detailed breakdown of all flagged pages. Pages affected. Site-wide count of impacted URL sitemaps. Total sitemaps. Number of sitemaps currently submitted. URLs submitted. Total URLs included across all sitemaps. URLs indexed. How many submitted URLs are confirmed indexed by Google detected sitemaps. Full column view of all submitted sitemaps and their status. Removals, temporary removals. Manage URLs temporarily removed from search outdated content. Handle removal requests for stale or irrelevant content. Safe search filtering. Manage safe search related content flags. HTTPS sampled HTTPS checks. Closest available URL level evidence where full GSC API is unavailable. Run report. Manually trigger the HTTPS check from within the dashboard. Core Web Vitals, real user field data, sourced from the Chrome UX report, CRUX, API URL mode, CWV data for a specific page, requires 1,000 plus monthly visits to that exact URL origin mode. Site-wide aggregated CWV, more reliable for low-traffic pages. 28-week history. Weekly P75 trend for detecting performance regressions. Data availability note. Only available for sites and pages with sufficient traffic. Website, issues error, warning, opportunity, info counts. Categorized issue summary, at a glance, column data with real-time status, live breakdown of all Google reported issues and their current state. Site testing, enter URL to test. Run Google's official tests directly from the dashboard. Mobile-friendly test. renders the page as Googlebot Mobile and checks viewport, font size, tap targets, plugins, and blocked resources. Rich results test parses all structured data formats and reports errors affecting rich results. Eligibility in Google Search SERP features product snippets pages detected. Google identified pages with product structured data in search results. Affected items count, total number of impacted pages. Examples column, list of affected URLs with date of last crawl, merchant listings, sampled product, and merchant structured data signals. Enter URL and duration. Manually trigger the report to run. AMP pages served as AMP, accelerated mobile pages appearing in search results. Structured data signals, fetch directly from Google Search Console. Affected items count, total AMP pages detected bar graph, visual breakdown of AMP performance examples column, list of affected URLs, breadcrumbs pages detected, Google identified pages with breadcrumb structured data in search results, affected items count, total number of impacted pages. Examples column, list of affected URLs FAQ, pages detected, Google identified pages with FAQ page schema in search results, affected items count, total number of impacted pages. Examples column, list of affected URLs review snippets. Pages detected, Google identified pages with review or aggregate rating structured data. Affected items count, total number of impacted pages, bar graph, visual breakdown of review snippet performance. Examples column, list of affected URLs, unparsable structured data. Structured data errors, sourced from sampled rich result inspection. Enter URL and duration. Manually trigger the report to run enhancement videos. Sampled video rich result signals, sourced from URL inspection. Enter URL and duration. Manually trigger the report to run business intelligence traffic sources total sessions. Overall visit counts across all channels, top channels. Highest traffic generating sources at a glance average bounce rate. Percentage of sessions ending without further interaction. Average sessions, mean session count across the selected period. Channel mix sessions by channel. Breakdown of traffic volume per acquisition channel. Landing pages, top entry points driving traffic to the site, pages with engagement issues. Flags pages where visitors are dropping off or not engaging, e-commerce and conversions revenue. Total income generated tracked via GA4 transactions, count of completed purchases recorded in GA4 conversion paths. Journey data showing how visitors move from entry to conversion data sources, GA4 property settings, property details, overview of the connected GA4 property display name, the name assigned to the property ID, unique identifier for the GA4 property industry, business category associated with the property time zone, reporting time zone configured for the property currency, currency used for revenue and transaction reporting service level, GA4 account tier in use, property type, classification of the property type, parent account. The Google account this property sits under created and last updated. Property setup and modification timestamps, configuration issues. Flags any setup problems needing attention. Key events, add key event. Create a new key event to track conversions. Key events, view and manage all existing key events. Configuration, data retention. Set how long event data is stored. Event data retention period, specific duration configured for event data. Audiences is manage defined audience segments, channel groups, organize traffic sources into custom channel groupings, custom dimensions and metrics, view and manage user-defined data points. Integrations measurement protocol secrets. Manage secret keys for server-side event tracking. Access report data, access audit. Review who has accessed property data and when GSC properties connected properties. View all Search Console properties currently linked, add property. Connect a new Search Console property to RankyFy, check permission level. Verify access rights for each connected property. Sitemap Health Quick Scan. Run a health check on all submitted sitemaps instantly. Index coverage bulk URL inspection. Enter up to 100 URLs to check indexability, canonical status, mobile usability, and rich results eligibility in one go. Now let's look at the Ads Management section, which sits right below Traffic and Analytics. This is where I can manage and optimize my entire Google Ads operation from one workspace. The Google Ads section is a production-ready ads management CRM built to handle multi-account Google Ads environments with campaign operations, billing visibility, conversion tracking, recommendations, and reporting all in one place. At the top, I can see my authenticated user, connected account, and operating customer. Scrolling down, the section is organized across 9 tabs. The Overview tab gives me a complete high-level snapshot of my Google Ads performance at a glance. The Campaigns tab shows impressions, clicks, cost, and conversions for each campaign. From here, I can also add a new campaign directly without leaving the dashboard. The Ads tab shows individual ad performance, type, and status, giving me a clear view of how each ad is running across all active campaigns. The Keywords tab lets me add new keywords to my ad campaigns, keeping targeting sharp and up to date. The Reports tab allows me to generate a CSV report by selecting a start and end date and downloading it directly to my system. The Conversions tab shows all conversion actions, enabled conversions, total conversions, and conversion value. From here, I can also switch to a column view or add a new conversion action directly. And finally, the Billing tab shows my billing setup, active budgets, approved budget, and served amount, keeping full visibility over ad spend without needing to log into Google Ads separately. With RankyFy's Google Ads management, running, monitoring, and optimizing Google Ads campaigns across multiple accounts is straightforward and fully centralized, all from one single dashboard.